Hi, this is Glenn Boyko, Global Business Development, Hexagon PPM, Completions and Commissioning. Today we're here to talk about the importance of the data-driven design within the completions and commissioning portfolio and how that can impact and support your efforts on project execution. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is the importance of the data-driven design and how it can be embedded into the contractual process within the project. So by actually using Intergraph Smart Completions to set up the framework, the data requirements for the project, it allows you to start defining what those requirements are within the design phase of the project into the engineering design tools, so that when it gets into the completions and commissioning phase of the project, you have the data that you have in the format that you need it in. The second part of that is you start building up the framework of what the requirements are for the contractor, so that it gets embedded into the terms and conditions of their contract and removes any gray area of what their requirements are, of how they're meant to execute the project and use the data that is generated from the project. So the next thing that I want to talk about is how the digital approach with Smart Completions allows you to transfer custody from party A to party B in a very short time frame. How we do that is by managing multiple contractors and multiple different levels of information coming in for the project. We can then triangulate what information is required, what work was meant to be completed before that custody transfer has been issued. What that means is it removes a lot of the lag that typically exists when you're starting to assemble information required before somebody can actually take custody of that piece of equipment. So traditionally what happens today is either the information isn't there for them to actually do their work correctly and safely, or there's a lag in that time frame. So by taking that digital component, you now have the ability to do the gate review, transfer custody in a very short time frame, which is saving a lot of time and money on projects.